Welcome to OLLI at Pitt's Guide to Using Zoom on your Android phone. This guide will take you through all of the different functions that you will need to use for Zoom for your OSHA classes. First, find the email that contains the Zoom invite for your class. In the text of the email, there will be a link that you can tap on that will take you directly to your class in the Zoom app. The first thing you must do when you join your Zoom meeting is to join the meeting audio. If you do not do this, you will not be able to hear anything and you will not be able to be heard by others. On your phone, tap Call over Internet for the easiest option. It is important for your classes that you remain muted. The mute button is in the bottom left corner of the screen on an Android device. If the menu has disappeared, tap once on your screen to make it reappear. If there is a red line through the microphone, that means that you are muted, and you should stay that way. If you don't see the red line through the microphone, tap on the microphone to mute yourself. Next to the mute button is the Start or Stop Video button. When you turn your camera on, you will see an image in the bottom right corner of your screen that shows what your camera is showing. If you want to turn your camera back off, tap Stop Video. If you tap Participants at the bottom of your screen, you can open up a list of the people in your class. If you tap on your own name, you can rename yourself, and you can also see who is muted and has their cameras on and who doesn't. To get back out of the Participants menu, tap Close at the top left corner of the screen. For additional controls, tap More. Under More, you'll find the Raise Hand option. This lets your instructor know that you have a question or comment. When you tap it, you should see your name and a little hand appear in the bottom center of your screen. In order to lower your hand, tap More again, and then tap Lower Hand. Going back into the More menu, you can tap Chat to send or receive messages from your classmates and/or instructor. Tap in the box to start typing, and when you have finished typing your message, tap Send. Above where you type your message, you can see the recipient. If you tap on the recipient, you can change it from everyone to an individual. Notice that once you have sent this chat, you will see the words Direct Message in red text above the chat in the area above. When you are finished in the chat, tap Close in the top left corner of the screen. If your instructor has turned on live captioning, you will see the captions at the bottom of your screen. If you do not wish to see captions on your screen, you must go into the Zoom app settings to turn them off. In order to do that, hit the back button on your phone's navigation controls in the bottom right of your screen. Tap the settings gear in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap Meeting. Scroll down until you find the closed captioning option. Tap on the green switch in order to turn them off. Tap the arrow in the top left corner of your screen to exit settings. Tap Meet and Chat, then the orange Back to Meeting arrow to return to your meeting. You can view a full transcript of what your instructor is saying by tapping More, then Full Transcript. Now you are looking at the full transcript of what your instructor is saying. To close the full transcript, tap the arrow in the top left corner of your screen. To leave the meeting, tap the red Leave button in the top right corner of your screen. This concludes OLLI's demonstration for using Zoom on your Android phone. Thank you for watching.